Okay, this content is basically for wild animals, wildlife, and also a few domestic animals. And right now, we are having the snake family, which are the reptiles, as the first cause study. At first, we have you can see the python, and now we are having one of those dangerous snakes. I can see how secretive and like their lifestyle. Just see their lifestyle, you can see their straight shape, their size, and you will know that they are very strong when it comes to hunting and getting their prey. These are the position that the animal takes. So and so on, you can see how sharp it is getting its prey. You can see although it's feeding on chicks on chickens now, this is also an anaconda, like the most biggest snake in the whole world. There is an anaconda. Anaconda is the biggest snake in the whole world. There is a python looking to take a position to get his prey. And shortly after now, we seeing the black mamba. The black mamba is a very rough snakes and very dangerous. Like black mamba is the most dangerous snake. We're not talking about this one because this one is already a cobra. This is a python. This one you are seeing is a python. These are all pythons family, but we'll be talking about the black mamba shortly after now. That's why I'm referring to it. So, like now, we are seeing the black mamba. This is a black mamba. Like it's very prompt to action. You can see it bringing out his tongue. It's very prompt to action. This is snake swallowing or feeding on a prey. It should be a rat. Look at how nature did them. So this content is very broad and exposed to so many animal life. Please subscribe to my channel and let's grow this channel. Thank you. Okay. So now these animal snakes changing their skin. We call it snake changing skin. So now this is the end of this content, and now we are going to look at the biggest predators. They, in fact, they hunt any prey that they want and have it as their food. And you can see that it's already flying upon them. They also feed high, wide, going also wide in search of prey, and it has already gotten one mangoes immediately and take me to the forest. Like you think we get to see cutting gets like cutting animals, and I think you feed one anaconda from the rivers and it's going for it already. Fish that expose are very dangerous to predators. Basically, the snakes also feed on snakes that expose. And also, the mangoes is always the king of rats for this eagle, and that's also got small mangoes. You can also the lions are also so now another one is the in search of any animal, buffaloes, elephant and others. They are first one to other are also very strong and they can feed on any animal that make yourself available to them at any time as a meal. This is the biggest hippopotamus I've ever seen. So for you to continue seeing a big animal, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel to keep us motivated.
Fowls and other
Thank you. So now these are all
like we have the owl already, we have the Arabian falcon,
white bird,
which is the fastest
the
bird.
Arabian falcon, the
Kite
kite,
is very fast, and we are
fast
having the
bird.
eagle.
This is the
I will
eagle,
not talk about the
a
speed,
very
but
big bird.
the eagle is also the biggest bird,
The
biggest bird
life.
so far in the sky. The in fact, the king
So
of the sky is the eagle. The
But this
Arabian falcon is also the fastest bird that
I'm not
can
going
pick
to
anything he wants.
refer
I
much
think
about the eagle,
his fast,
but they are
the rate of his fastness will be up to
domestic
but we
birds
have the
that we
fowls.
have our
The fowls are also normally a prey to all these Arabian falcons. fowls
Fowls
are
are also
domestic
birds, but
animals.
they are tamed
They are rare
to
for human
be
consumption.
for
So
and for our human
these
consumption.
are
So the
domestic
fowls are
birds,
also
yes,
birds,
and they are
but they are
very very
harmless.
harmless.
They are not harmful to us.
This is
Rather,
a
they are
male
useful
fowl.
to us
How
as
is
for
it
a
called?
meal. This is
The
a
I
cock, a
don't
big cock.
the cock, right?
You can see the
This is a
beauty
very
of its
big
nature,
cock.
and so
This is a
on
very big
and
cock,
so
and
forth.
you
So
can see the
please,
beauty of
if you
their
know this
nature.
content is somehow interesting
They're very
and it do not
beautiful.
take you much,
They are
please
majorly
do me a
designed for
favor and
consumption.
subscribe to my channel. If
Majorly
not,
for consumption.
thank you.
And also
Right, right,
we'll be going
right,
forward to
right. The chicken and the
another
cock,
bet,
the chicks and the cock,
which is
the
the
big cock of the
another
murder.
bet,
Look at where it stays.
another fowl, another bet that
And
are
I
very
think we're
calm.
not going.
This is a local fowl.
This
You can
place is
see
full
it's
of
very
dust,
big.
so I need to cough.
This one is majorly designed for
That's the
consumption.
beauty
You
of the
can see
cock.
it already. So these are
Very
all
beautiful cock
fowls.
for the
I
mother.
just studying fowls bed other
This is
day.
the mother hen.
This
These
one
ones are
is the
basically
laying
for
fowl. You can see it can
production
lay
of
eggs like
eggs. You can see them
cockerel. Yes, like they are good in
basically
production of eggs and babies. You just want to design a
so,
fowl, no animal fights
so
today.
now
I just be looking at the
we'll
beauty
be
of
moving
them.
straight forward
Now we'll go to the cow
to
and the
other
goat and other sheep.
animals.
This is
These
the
are
domestic
domestic animals
goat
like
in a
the
very rocky
fowl. We have
environment.
the
Domestic
goats.
goat in a very
These are
rocky
the
environment.
sheeps. They are basically for
And this is
consumption.
the fowl.
These are the sheep. They are basically for consumption.
This is
These are
what
the
it
sheep.
does
They are
in the morning.
basically for consumption. This is the
So
cock.
it's normally used
He's
to
looking
it.
for
They're crawling like
here to have rest for
the
the day.
crawling fowl. And
Here
another bet again. This is the
to have
water
rest for the day.
fowl,
These
duck
are the
fowl, right?
waterfowls.
They are very
These are
good
the
in swimming
waterfowls.
at the water, at the
You
river.
can see them the way they
This is the
survive.
another biggest
This
land
is the biggest
bet,
fowl in the
which is the
land.
ostrich.
His name is
The
not
ostrich is the biggest
but an
land
horse.
bet. Yes, but the weight of this ostrich is incomparable. This is very fine design bet. You can see the nature of his color and every design on it. It looks beautiful right here. Today this content is just all about bet and others. The sheep you saw there is just for environmental checkup, but this content is fully about bet and fowls. So you can see the duck fowl in their numbers. These are duck fowls. These are land duck fowls, and these are water duck fowl, right? These are land duck fowl and water duck fowl. So this content is fully all about bets. You that is watching to the ends, I will encourage and thank you for being patient to watch to the end. And it will not take you anything to subscribe. Please subscribe, support my channel. If not, thank you for you to support me that you see us again. If you don't support, you cannot see us again. So like and subscribe, share, and let's keep growing our channel. Thank you. Dun, 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 dun.
Yes, yes, we have a pin down point. The crocodile, the blue water reptile. We have other animals that feed on humans, like the mosquito, etc., etc., etc. So please subscribe to my channel if you thank you.